stand for the King's Anthem.
Opportunities for us to be innovative and to think creatively about our learning. Amen. Welcome to the ES Assembly. Our word is innovative. I stands for invention. Innovative people make good inventions. N stands for noble. Innovative people invent noble things. N stands for new. Innovative people think of new things. O stands for original. Innovative people have original ideas. V stands for very. Innovative people have very interesting ideas. A stands for action. Innovative people take action. T stands for teacher. Innovative people teach others. I stands for idea. Innovative people have lots of ideas. V stands for valiant. Innovative people act with valiance. E stands for eager. Innovative people are eager to create new things. Now grade 2 will tell you about some innovative people from around the world. Satoshi Tajiri is innovative. He invented the word of Pokemon. His idea helped us have fun. Right now there are more than 368 Pokemon. There are now more than 893 Pokemon characters. Jane Goodall is innovative. She helps study animals in a new way. Her ideas helped thousands of chimpanzees. She met her first chimpanzee when she was just 1 year old. Children can be innovative too. Frank Emerson was 11 years old when he had a new idea. He invented popsicles. Now over 2 billion popsicles are sold each year. Steve Jobs was innovative. He invented Apple products like the iPhone and iPad. He made the kinds of phone. He lived in California. David Baszucki was innovative. He invented robots. Trampolines are so fun. He was only 16 when he created the trampoline.
So first I would like to thank grade 2 and the teachers of grade 2 for giving us a wonderful assembly on innovative. So let's give them a round of applause. So as they were presenting, I was thinking about innovative, and really most of what we do is the process or the product of innovation. The clothes you wear, cars, everything we do, someone had an idea and they made it happen. So innovation is very important, and at school we want to help you to be innovative and creative and think of how you can think of ideas and make those ideas happen. So thank you very much, grade 2, for that. Yes. So we do have birthday celebrations. So actually, I want, if you have a birthday in November and December, because we don't have an assembly in December, I want you to go ahead and stand up if you have a birthday in December or November. And we will sing happy birthday. So the last thing we do, I need you to listen, please. We'll turn that off. We're working on our technical difficulties. All right. Okay. So we want to recognize our attribute winners. So as we always do, so grade 2 will be pictured up here. When your name is called, come around here. Miss Kim will give you your certificate. And then come line up at the front, and then we will have our dismissal. We'll recognize our attributes winners. Okay? So in preschool, Tyree, please come back. And in KG, Enzo and Ellie. Grade 2, would you listen please, grade 2. Enzo and Ellie. Listen, everyone, listen. Listen. Okay, we want to recognize these students, and part of that is being quiet so they can hear their name called, and then we can give them a chance to get their certificate. So you need to be quiet and patient. Thank you. In KG, we have Sky. You can clap if you want. And grade 1, we have Ben and Avery. Ben and Avery, congratulations. Grade 2, we have Maggie and Jedi. Maggie and Jedi, congratulations. Grade 3, Helena and Grace. Congratulations. Grade 4, Alina and Abel. Alina and Abel, congratulations. Okay, grade 5, Miss Kim, can you advance the slide? The next, thank you. Grade 5, we have us in G4. Congratulations, us in G4. Elaine and D-Day. Elaine and D-Day. Congratulations. And for Ty, we have Pearl, Luke, and Caleb. I think that's, yeah, Luke. Pearl, Luke, and Caleb, congratulations. Congratulations.